Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Now we'll see error calculations in composite function. Generally, these are the four variety of models where you can expect a question. Usually we have a question from this area in our GATE paper. You can check that in recent like question papers like 14, 15, 16. Like you can find a question from this area compulsory. What we can say, even error calculations, even composite function. Right, when they give x1, x2, x3, when they notice with the nominal values with some percentage relative error like this, right? Composite function could be like what? Pure addition or subtraction. Pure addition or subtraction means when they give resistances and connected in series means we get addition only. Right? Suppose when they give input power, output power for a particular electrical machine, when we want to find losses means we get input power minus output power, there we can have subtraction. In such categories, how to find the what error associated with that equivalent value, then we use this relation, right? A by A plus B plus C, but here if function is x1 plus x2 plus x3, then we use A plus B plus C. Suppose the function is x1 minus x2 plus x3, then we should use here A minus B plus C. So plus or minus that you have to observe from the function and substitute in this relation, right? So directly we are substituting in percentages, so even answer also will get in what? Percentages for that composite function. What is that? A by A plus B plus C into epsilon R1 plus B by A plus B plus C into epsilon R2 plus C by A plus B plus C into epsilon R3. This is the relation we use for what? Pure addition or subtraction. Suppose the function is like this x1, x2 plus x3, then we should not use this, not valid for this combination, only for pure addition or subtraction. Suppose if composite function is what? Multiplication or division, again pure multiplication or division. Whenever product is there like x1, x2, x3 or 1 by x1, x2, x3 or x1, x2 by x3, like this pure multiplication division is there, then what will be the error associated in that composite function? We directly add all these what? Percentages, right? Whether it is multiplication or division, directly we add and we get the total error in that composite function. In some cases we may even have what? Some power terms, right, for each and every quantity. But generally composite function again associated with what? Multiplication or division, then only we should use this relation. So respective power get multiplied. Got the point? x1 is having epsilon r1, so that power n is multiplied. x2 is having error epsilon r2 and the power is what? N, so multiplied. x3 is having what? Epsilon r3 error and its power is p, so that respective power get multiplied. So simple relation, so you can easily score from this. Another model is there. What is that? When resistors connected in parallel, the composite function is different now. Right, whenever R1, R2 given with nominal values and percentage errors, what is that parallel combination R1, R2 associated with multiplication? R1 plus R2 is associated with what? Addition. So I am assuming numerator is one function x, denominator is another function y. So when multiplication is there, what we do? Multiplication means directly we add the errors like epsilon R1 plus epsilon R2. When addition is there, we follow with that earlier relation A by A plus B into epsilon R1 plus B by A plus B into epsilon R2. Now we got the error due to x as well as what? Y individually. Now what will be the error? One is in numerator, another one is in what? Denominator. When you apply the natural logarithm, this error becomes what? Negative. But this is only valid for when we have functions like this. Slight difference is there. Okay, multiplication with quantities means or division with quantity means directly we get all plus only. But here two different functions and we have a relation between two different functions, so we get what? Negative sign here. This is the possibility. So easily you can score from this area when question comes. only these are the four models exist in this category.